Thank you so much for attending this webinar. I hope you enjoyed the first part of the slide presentation that I have right now. By the way, my name is Anne Asada, the Manager of Student Mobility of Savant International Student Mobility. And I do have my colleague, which is our BDM, Chris. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Christian. I'm the Business Development Manager of Sabant International Student Mobility. Good evening, everyone. I hope you enjoy kung ano man yung mga pag-uusapan natin today. Thank you.
A little bit of background, who's Savant? So our tagline will always be where ambition meets opportunity. We all have our ambitions. Even I personally have my own ambition. I've been working back and forth for the past 20 years. Christian is also working hard, and plus he's almost done with his master's. So congratulations, Christian. The reason why I'm elaborating at this personal note, it's because kung kami dito sa Savant, gusto namin magandang educational background namin and to move eventually in abroad to study. What more kayong nag-attend here? So a little bit of knowledge again about Savant. We are a premium global education firm dedicated of advising international student mobility and institutional partners. Mind you, we have our own RCIC and immigration lawyers para naman guided tayo to make sure na hindi lang pachamba yung approval ninyo, to make sure na kung dadating man tayo dun sa event na magkakaroon tayo ng refusal, wag naman sana, is we have someone who is more knowledgeable about the immigration process. We have our mission and vision. You are free to take a screenshot, but in a nutshell, our goal is to make sure that once that we receive an application, we'll be able to guide you through with the perfect country for you and perfect na program aligned kung anong nakasulat dun sa CV nyo, and pagtutulungan natin para ma-meet yung goal na yan. This is just a background of the name and the seal of Savant. And of course, we want to make sure that it aligns into the programs in partnership with the goals of United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda by promoting accessible global education. So Savant can definitely send you all over or across the world, if I may say so. Pwede tayo sa Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, even sa USA, and of course sa UAE. Really depends on the student profile. These are the services that we offer: personalized academic advisory. Of course, we want to make sure na talagang we are eligible sa preferred study destination natin. Plus, we have the strategic application management with the help of our partners or schools and university partners all over the world. We do offer evaluation and acceptance advisory, and lastly, comprehensive visa support and pre-departure strategic briefing. We also help our students or potential students for housing and work placements as well. With the work placement, please do take note that partners with the institution ito ha. Again, we are not a recruitment agency, but a student mobility company. So let's talk about the reason why we're here, becoming an international student. I know some of you get your facts or information galing sa social media. Even us, we have to check time to time kung ano na bang nauusong trend ngayon. Anong study destination ang preferred ng mga international, possibly international student, let alone mga Filipino student. Nowadays, they are more, I would say, attracted to the United Kingdom, Australia, of course, Canada, hindi man mawawala yan, United States, and even UAE. Not only because these are the countries that we support, but we do have the data that says ito yung mga top country destination para sa mga Filipinos. And we'll learn why. So first study destination would be United States. Yes, we do process type of visas with the help of our immigration lawyer. Why do you want to choose the United States? It's because You can earn a globally recognized US degree from world-leading universities to help Filipinos graduate in both local and international job markets. Pwede din po mag-work si student on campus nga lang. So we'll talk about more kapag merong mga questions about that. Next, next study destination would be Australia. There are some changes in terms of the visa requirements, the admission process, but nonetheless, Australia is still open for international students. Why? Because you could earn global recognition also and degree valued by employers in the Philippines and around the world. Let me just say this. Regardless of your study destination, huwag niyong ikulong yung mind niyo na, for example, sa US ako nag-aral, hanggang USA lang ako. Hindi. The reason why you wanted to study abroad, let alone in the US, it's because it's globally recognized. So you can move into one place to another with your credential once that you're done with your program. Next, of course, becoming international student in Canada. The benefit of it will always be high quality education, affordable costs, making Canada an excellent value for money choice among the top study destination and one of the safest as well. If hindi naman Canada ang choice nyo, you could also look into UK. For UK, build in in-demand skills and expand your global careers network through industry partnership, internship, and networking opportunities offered by the UK universities as well. So we'll be digging deep more later after ng PowerPoint presentation natin if you do have some questions. Another good study destination and picking up for the Filipino market and even to the Southeast Asian market is a European Union. My bad. So what are the countries are we talking about? We have Spain. We even have Germany, especially here in the Philippines. It's picking up. It's right now they have the bite share of the market. Why? There's always a reason. They always gain world-class European education, offering diverse study options and strong career pathways across international job markets. Later, pag-usapan natin kung ano-ano ba yung popular na programs for Filipino students or kinukuha ng mga Filipino students if we're talking about European Union. And of course, one of the most surprising places or country is the United Arab Emirates. I recently just have a quick discussion with one school provider in the UAE, and I was surprised about the programs and even the price of 1 year tuition fee. It's pretty much affordable. Pag sinabi kasi natin na UAE, lagi na lang natin iniisip na, ay, work kagad yan. Nope. They have also good universities, be it be a public or private, because they offer a multicultural environment and excellent career opportunities. One of the fastest growing global education and business hubs sa Dubai kasi walang tax kapag ka nagkaroon ka ng business dyan. Isa yun dun sa hina-highlight nila na benefit. Okay? Now, let me just give you reasons why you want to study abroad and why studying abroad can change your life. First off, global network. Building connections with people around the world and expand your global network. I can attest to this personally. I used to be a OFW for quite some time. And the experience that I have not only helped me sa work ko ngayon, but also the people whom I'm able to meet up. Way back 2023, I used to handle another agency for a short period of time. And that's where I met our immigration lawyer. Who would have thought after 3-4 years, magkikita ulit kami. And eto, he's helping Savant to make sure na mag-guide ng maayos ang mga international students. Next, better career opportunities. We want to make sure that this is one of the benefit, okay? Studying abroad to gain international exposure that makes you stand out in the global job market. Look, I am not saying na kapag ka sa Philippines ka nag-aral, wala kang opportunity. We have good universities. We even have international schools here. It's just so happened that for us to be more competent globally, we have to make sure that we meet the certain standard. i-calibrate natin yung sarili natin. That's why when you study abroad, you are hitting those marks.